Okay, so using a Boston NetSim. Okay, use a Boston NetSim. Let's first build a topology. Okay, so go to NetMap and open topology. By the way, you can download this topology from our class website. So just please download topology and then save it into a local directory. In my case, I downloaded that file into this directory, as Boston NetSim directory. So go to topology, let's see, RIP version 1 and RIP version 1 topology. Okay, so I already built this topology for you. Okay, so and let's take a look at the router 1. And router 1 has this used these two interfaces, serial 0 and Ethernet 0, right? And router 2 uses serial 0, 1 and Ethernet 0. Serial 1 is connected to the serial 0 router 1. This is serial 0 and serial 0. Pretty much I follow this diagram, this topology. Also, you can download this PDF file from our class website. So basically, you have R1, and then you have R2 and R3. This S0 of R1 is what? Is a TCU. So you have to provide a clock rate. So here's the IP address of each router. By the way, use S0 instead of S000 and S1 instead of S001 and etc. Okay. So here is the IP address and then topology type. So basically this. So first we have to put this topology in the simulation mode. So go to NetMap and apply selected topology. Right now it is in the simulation mode. So go to R1 first. And let's just configure the IP and subnet mask for each interface. So go to R1 and then go to enable mode. Interface grid. It has what? Let's just change the setting. Has its interfaces, and now every interface is done. So first I'm in the configuration mode and go to first change host name, and then let's just configure the IP address. I use default subnet mask. Then shutdown. And then go to interface S0. And S 192.168.3.1. Use default subnet mask. this S0 of R1 is a DCE, so we have to provide clock rate. So clock rate. And if you don't remember the name, all the like frequency range, you can put question mark. Then it will show all the possible values that I can use. So I'll use 64000. 64000. Okay. And then of course I have to activate this interface by typing no shutdown. Okay, that's for the R1. So after that I'll say show IP interface to show IP. Okay, now at this point I've only one directly connected network because the serial interface has not been activated, fully activated, because I have to configure R2, S0 of R2. Okay, so go to R2. And then what? So now this S0 is a DTE, so I don't have to set up the clock rate. So I'll just enable this interface. Okay, and then S1. By the way, if you look at this topology, S1 of R2 is a DCE, so I have to provide a clock rate. By the way, if you, let's say you forgot the command after clock, then you can put the question mark, and there's all possible commands that follows the clock. So I can put rate or this word, but I know that it's a rate. And I forgot the frequency range, and I just simply question mark, and also show the list of the frequency, the list of the frequencies that I can use. In this case, I use 6. Oops, I put one more, so 64000. And then let's enable it by typing no shutdown. So let's just enable this interface by typing no shutdown. Okay. Now still, as you can see, my serial one is down because I have not yet configured R3. So I show serial routing table, and go to R3. forgot to type no shutdown for the Ethernet 0, so type it to 0. Now let's say no shutdown. And now let's type shutdown. Okay, so S1 is now up and Ethernet 0 is up. So everything's fine. Okay, so we chose two directly connected networks, which is correct. The first one is 40 and next one is 50. So I'm just finished configuring the basic. Basically, I finished configuring the IP addresses for all interfaces. I have not yet configured RIP version 1, so that's the next part. So let me stop recording my lecture. Okay, so next step is I'm going to configure RIP version 1 on R1, R2, and R3. So let me